Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mawali. I'm a 21-year-old transgender woman from Tel Aviv, Israel, and I make transgender related content mostly here on my YouTube channel. If that's something that's interesting to you, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and let's get right into the video. Alright my girls, so today we're going to do a trans advice video. This is for my trans girls, so if you're a trans girl, make sure to stay and watch until the end because this is very important. It's dating advice, just for you. And this is from the expert herself, moi. So, dating with guys, because I'm straight, but there is trans people who are gay as well. But today we're going to discuss about the straight trans girls who date guys like me, okay? Okay, I made a video where I helped guys with us, trans girls, how to date us and how to treat us. This video is right here on the screen. But today I will help my trans girls how to date guys. So let's start with what you need to be aware of. What are the red flags that you can see in a man from right the beginning of when you start to talk, and to back off right immediately when you notice one of them? So the first red flag is when you see that a guy is talking about sex right from the beginning. They're not supposed to talk about sex with us right from the beginning. Let me get it straight, honey. I know it's normalized in society now because it's 2022, but no. If he is talking with you about sex right from the beginning, he's not the right guy for you. He's a chaser, and probably he wants you only for your body because you're trans. So be conscious of that. Red flag number 2 is if you notice that on the first date he's taking you to his house or wants to take you to a private place with not many people or no people at all. That's another red flag. I have a story time when I told about a guy that I thought we were going to go outside, but he took me to his house. And that didn't end very well. It's right here on the screen as well. You can see that video right after you finish watch this one. The third red flag that you need to look for in a guy that you start dating is if you notice that he doesn't text you back or call you back after the first date, and you feel like you need to chase him for something to happen between you two. Probably that's not the right fit for you. Also cis girls, but here we're talking about us trans girls, so that's applicable as well. Never chase a dude. Never chase a bitch. It's the man's priority to chase us, the girls. It's what nature decided, you know. The man is the predator and we are the prey. That's just how it works, alright? So what do you need to look in a guy that's positive? That means that he's dateable for you. If he gives you his undivided attention, that's a very good sign because it means he's into you and is willing to show you what he's capable of to make you want him back. So that's very good. Also, if he takes you on the first date to somewhere public, let's say to a movie or a restaurant or walking on the beach where there's a lot of people, that's a very good sign as well because it means he wants to get to know you. You're talking, you're speaking, you're not rushing to the bed, you're in the company of other people as well, so he's not ashamed of you from other people. That's a very good sign. But it's something different if you are walking in the streets all the time and let's say that you're dating for, I don't know, like a few months, and then still you don't know any of his friends or family. That's a very bad sign actually. because for him to show you that he loves you and he really cares for you and that he's not ashamed of you, he needs to get to know you, his friends and family. Not in the beginning, but it needs to happen like after a few months. I'd say like 6 months max, you know, because if it doesn't happen, it's not good. Maybe he's serious, but he's not planning to marry you or something like that, because he never planned to meet you to his family, you know, because you're trans and he's ashamed or something. So you need to be very conscious for those stuff. And if you start to notice after a few months that it doesn't happen, talk about it. Ask him why. Another very good sign is that when he compliments you, he's complimenting in a non-sexual way, at the beginning at least, of course. He's telling you that you're beautiful, he's telling you that you're pretty, but not saying like, oh, you're so sexy, babe, you know, right on the first date. Because that's not appropriate, of course, and who wants to date that, right? And yeah, it's very easy to fetishize us trans girls, but I truly believe that what we give the world to treat us like, that's what we get. So if we show the world that we have boundaries and we have red lines and there is a certain way that we need to be treated and we deserve to be treated, that's how people will treat us. You'll get the treatment that you ask for, in other words. So always ask for a good treatment. Always show that you're a high-value woman, and the fact that you're trans is not telling something bad about you. It's not making you less of a woman of any other woman. On the contrary, you're special, you're unique, and you need to be proud and to love yourself enough to show guys that you are capable of dating as any cis girl and to be treated as such, honey. So that was the video for today. I know it's a little bit short because I'm short on time, but I promised to do a part 2. Comment down below if you want a part 2. Share your thoughts, please, and tell me if you think anything else about dating guys. If you have any other advices for us trans girls, maybe your advice will be in part 2 of this video, so make sure to comment. And also it's helping my channel when you comment, so do that. Anyway, like this video, subscribe. I love you so much. I wanted to thank you for 1000 subscribers on my channel. I'm so excited. Thank you. It all happened because of you, so thank you, my loves. Always dream big and celebrate your victories, even the smallest ones. And I'm so happy that I have 1000 of you. It's crazy, like, I'm so excited. Please subscribe so I can continue create this good content for you. I love you so much. Bye guys.